Here comes the tricep squat. Get your weights. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Perfect. Excellent. And we're done. The lunge back and V raise is coming up. And 3, 2, 1. Go! And done. Let's do the rotator cuff squat now. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and go. Fantastic score. That was really great work. Let's take a short break here. This routine begins with the back lunge and press. I feel a pressing need to lunge. And 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay, we'll do the biceps curl next. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good place to pause. The back lunge and press is next. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Congratulations, a perfect routine. Let's break for a moment. Let's start with the knees push-up. Face the same way as your coach. Keep your hips in line with your back and head. All set? 3, 2, 1, and go. pause here. Next up, fast mountain climb. Face the same way as your coach. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go! That's plenty. And now for the triceps knee push-up. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Great focus during that perfect routine. Rest here. The first exercise is the Triceps Squat. Eyes look to the floor for the best alignment through the spine. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And that's that. And now, the lunge back and V raise. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! Catch your breath. Next, the rotator cuff squat. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and go. A flawless routine. Time for a break to catch your breath. We'll start with the back lunge and press. Press goes all the way up, lunge goes down nice and deep. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. We'll pause here. Our next exercise is the biceps curl. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go! And done. Let's try the back lunge and press. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. That is a great score. Excellent work. And we'll rest here.